1. The presence of elaborate gopurams is a defining feature of which temple architectural style? Answer: Avesara style. 2. In which year was the Rashtriya Sanskrit Sans then established for the development and promotion of Sanskrit? Answer: A. 1970. 3. What is the term used for the first matra in Hindustani music's Tala system? Answer: C. Sam. 4. Which Indian city, as of October 2025, holds the world's second largest collection of Art Deco buildings, including the UNESCO-recognized Oval Maiden Precinct with 94 structures? Answer: A. Mumbai. 5. Western scholar Pishal associated the term Sutradhar and Sthapak in Sanskrit plays with? Answer: C. Puppet dance tradition. 6. Padmashri Elam Andira Devi is associated with which classical dance form? Answer: A. Manipuri. 7. According to the Natya Shastra, which of the following is characterized by body movements to music without expressions of Abhinaya? Answer: C. Nrita. 8. In which region of Gujarat are Duha, Saratha, Chand, Ballades, etc. traditionally performed in folk music? Answer: B. Saurashtra. 9. Jainanadeva's renowned work Bhavarthadipika Jainaneshwari serves as an elaborate commentary on which of the following scriptures? Answer: A. Bhagavad Gita. 10. Bhairagi and Nyayaga are folk music forms from which of the following states? Answer: B. Arunachal Pradesh. 11. The Munda languages of India belong to which language family? Answer: A. Austro-Asiatic. 12. In which year was the first Sanskrit Commission constituted? Answer: D. 1956. 13. The term Kriti in Carnatic music refers to? Answer: A compositional lyric form. 14. Song dance is a ritualistic popular traditional folk dance, reflecting its culture in the true sense. Answer: D. Haryana. 15. Which Padma Shri awardee was given the title of Nritya Samrajini by Rabindranath Tagore? Answer: C. Sitara Devi. 16. In which of the following states is the Bachwar fair held usually a few days prior to Deepavali for a period of almost 3 weeks? Answer: A. Uttar Pradesh. 17. Which of the following traditional Indian percussion instruments is regarded as the predecessor of the modern tabla? Answer: A. Pakawach. 18. Karagattam, a popular folk dance of Tamil Nadu performed mainly by women balancing decorated pots, is dedicated to which deity? Answer: B. Goddess Mariamman. 19. Ranjabati is a famous folk dance from which of the following states of India? Answer: C. Odisha. 20. Which of the following temples is not a prime example of the Dravidian style of temple architecture? Answer: C. Siddhesvara Mahadeva Temple. 21. Which of the following musical genres was considered formal and divine in ancient India? Answer: A. Gandharv. 22. Which of the following is a traditional folk music form from the state of Rajasthan, known for its high-energy rhythms and lively melodies? Answer: A. Mand. 23. When was the Telugu language declared as a classical language of India? Answer: C. 2008. 24. Which of the following baskets of the Buddhist Tipitaka contains monastic rules? Answer: D. Vinyapitaka. 25. The architectural style of the Jagannath temple is primarily associated with which of the following traditions? Answer: D. Kalinga style. 26. The Sela dance is associated with which of the following states? Answer: C. Chhattisgarh. 27. Which temple in Odisha is renowned for its chariot-shaped structure and is a prime example of Kalinga architecture? Answer: a sun temple. 28. Which of the following is not a style of Hindustani classical music? Answer: C. Varnam. 29. In the context of Indian classical music, the term Kayal literally signifies which of the following? Answer: A. Imagination or reflective thought. 30. The Banarasi, Patiala, and Lucknow Gharanas are associated with which of the following musical styles? Answer: B. Thumri. 31. Which of the following is not a prominent language of the Indo-Aryan family? Answer: B. Kuruk. 32. Who is credited with codifying the method of Carnatic music? Answer: A. Purandaradasa. 33. In which year did the Government of India declare Adiya as a classical language? Answer: A. 2014. 34. Which of the following compositions in Hindustani music is especially associated with Sufi devotional music? Answer: D. Qawwali. 35. Which of the following goddesses is primarily worshipped during the Gangar festival of Rajasthan? Answer: C. Goddess Parvati. 36. Thol Pavakuthu, the traditional shadow puppetry performance, originates from which Indian state? Answer: B. Kerala. 37. In which year was the Taj Mahal of India inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer: A. 1983. 38. The Patachitra paintings, known for intricate detailing and mythological themes, originate from which Indian state? Answer: D. Odisha. 39. The Goa Carnival is primarily associated with which of the following cultural or religious traditions? Answer: A Christian tradition. 40. Who is known for popularizing the santoor, an Indian classical instrument, globally? Answer: C. Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. 41. In which state of India did Patachitra paintings originate? Answer: A. Odisha. 42. Which of the following is a percussion instrument commonly used in Indian classical music? Answer: B. Mridanjam. 43. Who among the following is not associated with Carnatic music? Answer: A. Ravi Shankar. 44. Which of the following traditions are the two major streams of Indian classical music? Answer: D. Hindustani and Carnatic. 45. Raja and Radha Reddy, who founded the Natyatarangani Institute in New Delhi, are renowned exponents of which classical dance form? Answer: D. Kuchipudi. 46. Ustad Amjad Ali Khan is world-renowned for playing which of the following instruments? Answer: A. Sarod. 47. Chha, a celebrated dance tradition from eastern India, has been acknowledged by UNESCO under which cultural recognition category? Answer: B. Intangible cultural heritage. 48. Who is traditionally regarded as the author of the classical Tamil work Tirukkural? Answer: C. Tiruvalluvar. 49. Ravi Shankar is famous for his expertise in playing which classical music instrument? Answer, D. Sitar. 50. Which of the following is the primary association of the ektara, a folk musical instrument? Answer, C. Folk and devotional string music. 51. Which of the following dance forms originated in the temples of Odisha and often depicts the divine love of Radha and Krishna? Answer, B. Odissi. 52. Which highly revered Svetambara Jain text describes the lives of the 24 Tirthankars, the lineage of pontiffs, and the monastic rules observed during the Pari festival? Answer, D. Kalpasutra. 53. Which of the following folk music styles belongs to Sikkim? Answer, C. Lepcha. 54. In which of the following states of India is the Dilwara temple, which exhibits a distinct architectural style that fuses elements of Jain, Hindu, and even Mughal craftsmanship, located? Answer, D. Rajasthan. 55. Ustad Bismillah Khan was most closely associated with which musical instrument? Answer, B. Shanay. 56. Which language is known for its unique script called Gurmukhi? Answer, C. Punjabi. 57. Which of the following classical dance forms of India originated among the Kathakars, storytellers of northern India, later incorporating elements of Bhakti traditions as well as Persian and Central Asian influences during the Mughal period? Answer, A. Kathak. 58. What is the primary function of the Sahitya Akademi? Answer, B. To promote literature in Indian languages. 59. Who commissioned the Konark Sun Temple? Answer, A. Narasimhadeva I. 60. In which of the following states is the Ambubaki Mela held every year during the monsoon? Answer, C. Assam. 61. Select the correct match of the musician with their musical instrument. Answer, A. Bismillah Khan, Shanay. 62. Which of the following traditional art forms originated in the Mithila region of Bihar? Answer, B. Madhubni paintings. 63. The Hornbill Festival, celebrated to showcase tribal culture, music, dance, and sports, is associated with which Indian state? Answer, D. Nagaland. 64. Which of the following temples is described as a monumental representation of Surya's chariot with 24 wheels? Answer, C. Sun Temple, Konark. 65. Bihu is considered the festival of the state UT? Answer, D. Assam.